It seems all of you are saying, see, I will keep you active. You will have to keep responding. You will have to type. So it gives me an understanding that yes, you are up, awake, and listening. So it is my request to you to please type, and I will not ask you to type much. Don't worry. Very good. Very good. So let me wake you up. Can I ask you to start your video and show me your both hands? Okay. Like me, what I'm doing on the screen. Can I ask you to do so? You can start your video, show me your both hands. Come on. I have, uh, I'm showing my both hands to you. I want you to start your video one by one and you can show me your both the hands. Come on. Let's start. Come on. Let me see who is starting. Who is the first one to do that? Shubham, Tejas, Himani. Let us start. You on your video. Show me both hands. Come on, Curie, Umang. Let's start our video. Show both the hands and we will begin the activity. Why are you so? Uh, I mean, why are you so skeptical of starting the video? What is the problem? Any problem? You can type P. Come on, guys. It is not much of an ask. Okay, very well done. You show me your hands. Show me both your hands. Yeah, thank you. Be confident. See, that the first lesson is be confident whatever situation you are. You have to be happy. You have to be confident. That's how you make a difference. Thank you. Now, once you show your hand, you can off the video. Thank you. Thank you. I can see your hand. Yes, my dear. Yeah. See, first lesson in my class is that my student needs to be confident in whatever given circumstances. They need to accept the challenge and they need to live up to the challenge, at least try and stand firm is what is required. You may win, you may lose, you may succeed, you may not, but at least you should be ready to accept the challenge, is what I want to tell you. So I have seen Himani, I have seen Tejas, I am waiting for others. Let me show your hands. Start your, yes, I can see now Megha. Thank you very much. I can see Kunal. Thank you very much. Very well done. Yeah, I need to see you in order to understand you, in order to talk to you. I need to fix an image in my mind. I need to know you well. This is my first session. Don't you think it is important for me? Yes, I can see Umang. Thank you very much. I can see Jaideep. Why are you so shy? You're looking all very good. And it's not about looking. See, it's about it's about accepting the challenge. It's about answering the requirement. Great. Who else? I just wait for 30 seconds and then we'll begin the activity. Those who wants to start the video should start the video. And then now I'll not ask much. And I understand you guys are a little shy, but I'm really very happy. This is for you, Himangi. This is for Umang. This is for Kunal, and for all those who Tejas, for all those who started their videos. Yeah, Hasti, thank you very much. I can see your hands. You know, very good, very good. See, those who have been a part of my Bridge Course program, they know how do I work in my online session. But there are many who were not a part of the Bridge Course session. So maybe few of you would have done this. How do I work in my online session? But there are many who were not a part of the Bridge Course session. So maybe few of you would have done this exercise, but still I would like to do this exercise with you. Are you ready for an exercise? If you are ready, you type R and I'll tell you what the activity is. Very good. So don't mind Bridge Course student if you do this activity again. Please do this again also. But there are many new students with whom I would like to do this activity. Okay, so in this activity, what we will do is we will see the screen, number one, and on the screen there will be 6 lines, 5 to 6 lines written in English language. What we are supposed to do is read those lines and count how many times F for friend, F for Facebook that you like, how many times F comes in those 5 to 6 lines. Keep the answer with you. I will share the link. By hitting that link, you will be able to give the answer. So I will put the link in your chat box. Now, I have already put it in the chat box. So once I press enter, you will get it. But first, I need to show you the question. Do not jump to the answer and do not give me the answer in the chat box. If it is understood, if it is agreed and you are going to do that, then you have to type UAD. UAD means wood. Type UAD if you have understood my question. I hope I am quite audible, clear, I am not that fast, and it is easy for you to understand.
Sorry, your voice is off.
Yes, now it must be audible.
Yes, sir, you are
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll flash the screen very quickly in front of you without taking much time and get ready to answer. And how much time do you think you require? Tell me, how much time do you think you require? 5 lines in English, how much time do you think you require?
2 or 3 minutes.
तेजस 2 और 3 मिनट्स बहुत ज्यादा हो जाते हैं भैया 5 लाइन पढ़ने में आपको 2 मिनट चाहिए हाउ अनफेयर दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन 1 or 2 minutes 1 minute oh
Yes, sir.
curie it's very high it can't be 1 minute you just count 1 minute it is too much 5 लाइंस तो यूं पढ़ लिया आपने मेरे को लगता है
अकाउंट के लिए चाहिए।
हाँ काउंटिंग के लिए तो पढ़ लोगे तो साथ साथ में काउंटिंग भी हो जाएगा ना 1 minute curie no it is very high it is very high it's too much 30 second, Mahawisi Goyal, are you, I mean, what are you asking? I mean, I don't understand. But you are still genuine. I give you only 10 seconds time. Are you ready? Maximum 15 seconds, not more than that. Done? Done? Yes, done. Okay. So now let me show you the screen. And once the screen flashes, I tell you when your time starts. Do not, my dear friends, I repeat, do not type your answers in the chat box. So let me know if the screen is visible to you. Once the screen is visible, I start um, to show you the lines. The screen is visible now, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, okay. So now I'll do flash it and I'll keep it open for 15 seconds. Hands up and hit the link and start to give your answers. I'll come back in 1 minute. I give you. Let me see how many of you have given the answers. Oh, only 30. 33. Fine. I need to show it to you. So this looks like your answer. So 34 people only. I don't know what other remaining 12, 13 people are doing. May God bless them. They should have participated. I should have got total participation. See, winning and losing is part of the game. If you take a look at the word win, there is another word called in. So if you are in it, then you can win it. But if you are not in it, how will you be able to win it? So the simple rule in my session is please participate, because when you participate, you do something, and when you do something, you remember, you retain, and you are able to express it. So remember this rule. First rule when I shared, when I asked you to start your video, remain confident always and try to fulfill the requirement in whatever circumstances. Be confident was the first thing always. Second is win it. How? Be in it. Either you will win it or you will win a lesson for yourself. So win it by being in it is the second lesson that I want to give you in the first session. Will you remember it? Yes or no? You can type Y or N. Will you remember these two rules when I ask you next day, next session, that what was the first and second rule we learned in my session? Very good, very good. Thank you very much. I like that you are a technology student and you are responding very quickly, and that's why I enjoy taking sessions at MCA and BCA, because kids are really good with technology. So I really like that. And as you can see, we are showing you right now the result. If I press enter, you'll come to know what is the right answer. I'm pressing the enter. And the right answer is those 17 percentage of the people means 6 people give me the right answer. So I would say clap clap for all of you. See, six made it. Rest got something to learn. So clap clap for all of you. You are in my eyes the winner because you participated. Would you like to challenge? If anybody would like to challenge that eight nahi ho sakta, how can it be eight? I counted it perfectly. Would you like to challenge? If you like to challenge, you can type C. See, when you are confident, you will always challenge something. Even if it is wrong, you would challenge and you will learn better. At least asking questions is a good thing, isn't it? When you ask questions, you don't become bad. When you ask questions, you become better, rather. Third and important rule of my session is ask questions because it will help you to become better and me also to become better because then I will have to think, then I will have to find out, I will have to understand you, and then I'll have to solve or I will have to understand what I am telling first. So when questions are asked, we both get benefit of it. So Umang is challenging. Let me show you first once again. So this was the question, isn't it? You can count now. In the first line, how many F? 2. In the second line, how many F? 1. In the third line, how many F? 1. Isn't it? So how many F we have got so far in 3 lines? 4. Then in the third line, we have got another 3. Isn't it? So 7. In the fourth line, you have got 1. And in the fifth line, 0. No F. So that's how we count it to 8. The answer is 8. So my question here is to all of you, if you want to speak, you can speak. And I would appreciate and love it when you speak in front of everybody. See, we have to create that ability in ourselves to speak. When we speak, we are sharing our views and we are cultivating ourselves. And we are trying to push ourselves, we are trying to learn something. So when we speak in front of people, we get a different kind of confidence. And I want all my MCA people to get that confidence because you will have to speak when you go out to work, when you face an interview, or even when you start your own business, you will have to speak. So I want you to learn, and the class is the best place to speak and learn because in class, if you speak and make mistakes, there are people who will help you, or maybe forget about the mistakes. See, nobody learns without mistakes. Mistakes are a proof that you are learning, that you are trying. If you don't make mistakes, how are you going to learn? Classroom is the best place to make mistake because you will not have to give any cost over there. You will not have to pay any price. But if you make mistakes outside, then it may happen that you will have to pay some price, or you will have to give a cost of it. So I would say keep trying in my class. So my question here is, looking at this activity, what is it that we can learn in reflection? What is it that we come to know from this activity? Why did we do this activity? Why did we make mistake probably, or what is the lesson? You can think and you can reply me by just unmuting yourself and you can reply. I'm waiting for your reply. Think about it for a second or two. Let me know what do you think. Why do you think we made a mistake? Or what is the lesson that we can learn from this activity? See, we enjoy doing activity, but we should not forget the message or lesson behind it.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Umang, please go ahead. I like your confidence. Thank
So,
you.
can we say that the life is full of great things, small means the large things and the small things.
Yes.
We are only focusing on the large things, but sometimes it is possible that we are losing the small parts of our life, which makes our life total. And
आपने जो कहा ना उसके ऊपर एक प्रोवर्ब है, कोट है, और आपने बहुत बढ़िया सोचा है। आई मस्ट अप्रिशिएट यू उमंग। आपने बहुत बढ़िया सोचा है कि स्मॉल लिटिल थिंग्स डू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन लाइफ, बट वी टेंड टू इग्नोर इट। तो डेविल इज इन द डिटेल जिसको कहते हैं, और बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोवर्ब हैं जो दे गिव लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस टू स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स इन लाइफ। See, our focus is always the large thing or big thing, as you said. So I'll come back to that point. But Umang, very well done. Is there anybody who would like to share anything else apart from Umang? Umang, I want to send you an emoji for you. I'm sending it to you. Very well done, Umang. Fantastic. Is there anybody who would like to say anything? Just unmute and speak. Remove all the fear. There is no fear when I am here. Because I am your mentor, I am your friend, I am your brother. You can just very well free yourself and you can speak. Let me tell you, there is no view that is right or wrong. It is just a view in my class. I don't color it with right or wrong. I call it as a view. So let me see your answers, please. Come on. Nobody wants to say anything from the lessons perspective. But Umang, your lesson is very important. We saw, you said that large things we take into account, small things we don't. Small things like waking up early in the morning, small things like doing regular exercises, small things like staying ahead of the time and respecting time, uh, making efforts every day, trying to improve. All these things are someday going to matter. It may not matter today, but someday it will matter. Like going to a swimming class, learning swimming, going to a driving class, learning driving. All these things will matter someday. So it is better to remain prepared for what is in store ahead of us by doing all small little things when time permits, isn't it? Second thing is, why do we make mistakes? Is probably we do not have the focus. Probably we take things for granted, isn't it? Sometimes we presume, sometimes we assume that इस वर्ड में तो हो ही नहीं सकता है, इतना छोटा वर्ड में कैसे हो सकता है, and we rush through. So first thing is, when we rush through, we are bound to make a mistake. कोई भी चीज में हरी इज द मदर ऑफ वरी। अगर आपने हरी किया तो डेफिनेटली आपको आगे जाके वरी करना पड़ेगा। अग्री? इफ यू अग्री, यू कैन टाइप ए। मुझे पता तो चले कौन सुन रहा है। कोई भी, जनरली मेरा मानना है, जिस चीज में भी मैं जल्दबाजी करता हूँ या उसे जल्दी जल्दी करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, फटाफट फटाफट फटाफट, तो हो सकता है कि 20-30% टाइम कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए और हो भी जाए, लेकिन हर ही में प्रॉब्लम ये होगा कि I may make more mistakes. It will happen like that. So that is one thing. Second thing, we take things for granted, and we don't give due attention, or we don't give. मान लो कि आज मुझे एक्सरसाइज करने की क्या जरूरत है, आज तो मैं फिट एंड फाइन हूँ, लेकिन एक्सरसाइज करना हम कब स्टार्ट करेंगे? जब डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करेगा, जब डॉक्टर बोलेगा कि नहीं भाई आपको अभी थोड़ा ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है, तब जाके हम एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करेंगे। So we take things for granted. We take so many things, our privileges, our relations, our parents, our studies. So many things are taken for granted, isn't it? If I'm right, you can type R. we do have a habit of taking things for granted. Don't take anything for granted, my dear friends, please, because the realization is the moment of learning. So when you realize that I am here to make it count and I'm not going to take anything for granted, that's when the learning begins. Okay, or that's where you are able to make the difference. So I will now share the PPT once again. So far, is the session going all right? Are you enjoying? If you are enjoying, you can type E. Because I'll keep you asking in between. Yeah, I can see so many E's coming up. Thank you very much. So you can see now the highlighted version, which will identify the F, and the total would be 8. Thank you very much for participating. And let me guess if you know this person on the screen. If you know this person, you can type Y. You can see the photograph on the screen, isn't it? Yeah. Who is he? Oh, it's a very simple question. This is me, and I am going to conduct your session. I'm going to conduct your session, and who am I? I'm actually the manager of training department, and I have more than 15 years of experience in HR administration and have been a part of training department at Marwadi University for 6 years now. And I also conduct workshops and programs for students and help the students prepare for training and placements for their placement drives and for their life skills as well. So this is me, and I will be your faculty, and I'm very happy to meet with you. Thank you very much. Now let me go and show you something else. Yeah. Before I show you, I want to start a video. Are you ready for a video? What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Ready for the video? Okay. 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 I can see you are ready for the video. I can see that you are ready for the video. But before that, what I'll do is I'll show you how my department works and what my department does. Just 2 minutes of your time and I'll explain you what my department does. We at university work together. That means we, the university is comprising of so many departments, so many courses, so many faculties. But at university, our aim is to develop students' abilities, all round abilities, and make them continuous learners, make them informed citizens, make them career ready is the objective. Provide employability skills is the virtue of our department. Our department stand on this foundation of providing employability skills to our students. Main objective is to provide employability skills. You will not see learning and development department in many universities. But our university gives due importance to technical skills and also non-technical skills. Both are important. Technical skills are embedded with the power of soft skills so that you scale progress in your career. Because we believe when you work technically, let's say you are making a program, you are also surrounded by people, you will also be working in a team and you will be working in a project. So that requires soft skills, how to deal with people, how to communicate, how to be a team player, how to take lead in different situations. All these things become equally important. It is like both your hands, it is like both your legs, it's like both your eyes. One eye stands for technical skills, another eye stands for soft skills, which are important in life throughout your life. because we have a personal life, we have a professional life, we have a social life. So all these three lives, technical skills are important, but along with that, in all the three places, your soft skills, your life skills are very important. So how do you deal with competitions? What is the mindset? What is your attitude? What is your behavior? All these things matter. How do you face challenges? How do you face failures? All these answers you will get here in this session. So we have a department of training and counseling under the umbrella of learning and development. What does the learning and development department do? It provides students with an opportunity to learn in a workshop format called SIG. Now, SIG is known as Special Interest Group, where we conduct a theme-based workshop of 2 days with students. Means we will call students from all different domains and faculties, engineering, management, computer, all these students together come and learn. The benefit is that we have to interact with all different domains. We learn what is the competition outside, what kind of people, what kind of mindset are there, and we also develop our knowledge on the themes that is introduced by learning and development. It can be the theme of communication, it can be the theme of teamwork, it can be the theme of leadership, it can be the theme of industry expectations, what industry expects from you. So there are 4 different programs under SIG, 4 different themes. And FDP. What is FDP? We also train faculties of our university and of our college, because we believe that learning is a process that is evolving continuously. So we need to remain updated, upgraded with teaching methodologies and practices. So that's what we do here in this program under FDP. We have 3 levels of training which is given to all the students, like 4 levels for SIG, 3 levels for faculties to perform. And these are activity based workshops. Now, under the training department, we have a program called Career Readiness Program. We have corner workshops and we have special purpose training. Now, what are these 3 programs? Let me tell you first. The career readiness programs focuses on highly or say high much on habits of students, much on improving habits, so that they become better, so that's where we work at. So basic part is soft skills. We train them on GDs, we train them on PI, we train them on various topics. So that's the objective here. We also have the competitive examination and placement as an angle, where we train students on maths, we train students on English, so that they crack the placement drives. Remember, in placement drives, first round is quantitative aptitude, VA online test, which you have to clear, test on English and maths. Then the second round comes of GD, and then third round comes for interview. So we train them for all the 3 rounds. Here, corner workshop is a theme-based program. It can be on soft skills, it can be on quantitative aptitude, it can be on verbal aptitude also. So 2 hours, 3 hours workshop on a particular theme. And it's an empowerment program, special interest, special purpose training, where we before the placements begin, means before the company starts to uh, introduce a drive or starts the drive, we work on students abilities for 6 hours, sometimes for 12 hours, sometimes before the placement drives. We make sure that student gets the last minute support so they crack the placement drive. So this is what my department does. Hope you enjoyed and you will remember this, isn't it? Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, uh, so, so are you ready for the video? But वीडियो दिखाने से पहले आपको मुझे एक प्रॉमिस करना पड़ेगा that you will speak something on the video. Promise? Let me see how many of you are promising. If you are promising, you can type P. फरीन ने प्रॉमिस किया, उमंग ने किया, क्यूरी ने किया, चांदनी ने किया, अम, मेघा ने किया, तेजस ने, बस इतने लोग सिर्फ। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, आई एम हैप्पी। चलो इतने लोगों ने तो बोलने का मानसी थैंक यू. So we have two people with the same surname, Mansi and Chandni Gusani. Are you sisters? Are you related? Cousins. Oh, see, I could spot that. Himani says P. Okay, great. Kishan says P. So I want to show you this video. There is a very good, beautiful message in the video. I'm sure you will like it. And I'm sure you will want to speak on it. अभी आपने पी नहीं बोला है लेकिन मुझे पता है लगता है कि जब आप वीडियो देखेंगे तो कुछ बोलने का इच्छा हो जाएगा तो मैं वीडियो प्ले करता हूँ Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm playing it.
Anybody out there? Sorry. Somebody. Hello. There are two people stuck on an escalator, and we need help. Now, would somebody please do something? I don't believe this. You gotta be kidding me. Well, it's enough left to do. Hello? Hey, don't worry about it. I'll fix it in a second. All right. All right. That's more like it. Fix it. Fix it.
Walking down the sidewalk, kicking my feet as I move to the music, step to the beat.
Did you like the video? If you like the video, you can type L at least. Very good. So it means all of you have understood what the video is all about, have some or the other thing to speak. At least, if not, then you like the video, which is a good thing. So those who have promised, it is time for you to speak and tell me what is it that you are learning from it. Who wants to speak first? Okay, Chandni has raised a hand, so I will allow Chandni to speak. Chandni, please come in.
Sir, I learned from this video that the solution to our simple problems is very simple, but people make itself complicated. And in the similar way, life is quite easy, but people make it complicated by not applying simple, simple, simple sense that we can make it easier.
Very nice, Chandni. Very beautifully expressed opinion and very true also, very correct also. It is quite simple, but we tend to make it complicated. Enough of common sense is genius, as the proverb says. So you need to bring common sense all the time, and you will be able to solve most of the problems. Yeah, Chandni. But whenever you want to speak, you please start your video also so that I can see and I can talk to you. So the next who has raised the hand, let me see. Let me see who has raised the hand. Is there anybody who will want to go? Yeah, Tejas, go ahead.
Sir,
Yeah, please go ahead.
from the video, sir,
Ah.
we don't depend on other.
Very good.
સર આપણે કેસ ચડી શકતા હતા તોય સર હેલ્પ બધાને બોલાવતા હતા પણ ડિપેન્ડ કર્યું બીજા ઉપર.
Yes, આપણી આ બહુ ખરાબ આદત છે ને ડિપેન્ડન્સીની. અમ, એ આદત આપણને આપણા કલ્ચર કે જે કંઈ બી હોય, આઈ મીન નો કલ્ચર ટીચિસ યુ ડિપેન્ડન્સી, પણ એ આપણું એક રહેવાની રીત બની ગઈ છે ને ડિપેન્ડન્સી બધા ઉપર, ઘરમાં બહાર બધી જગ્યાએ આપણે ડિપેન્ડન્સી જ ક્રિએટ કરે છે. આપણે ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સી આપણે એક ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ વ્યક્તિ છે, આપણામાં એબિલિટી ક્રિએટ કરવાનું. અને વાય શુડ વી રિમેન ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ઓન અધર્સ? if I can press my clothes, I should press my clothes. I should not ask my mother to do it. If I can do certain things on my own, I should not ask my mother or father to do it for me. I should become independent. In the process, what happens is you are able to learn few things and you are able to become more confident. Confidence लाने का कोई भी लेट मी से इट इज नॉट कि आपको कोई दवाई देगा कॉन्फिडेंस का, कोई टैबलेट है, ऐसा नहीं है. कॉन्फिडेंस कब आता है? कॉन्फिडेंस कब आता है? जब आप कुछ चीज़ें करते हो, रेगुलरली करते हो, प्रैक्टिस करते हो, उसमें बेटर हो जाते हो, तब कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. सो एक तरीका कॉन्फिडेंस लाने का ये भी है, अगर आप कम डिपेंडेंट है तो कॉन्फिडेंट आ जाएगा आपके अंदर. वेरी गुड तेजस. I like your view. Very much I like your view. Thank you. Megha, yes, Megha.
Sir, we can have a solution in front of our eyes, but we
Yes.
can see it and ignore it and wait for the others.
Yes, we ignore it. More often we ignore it. We know the solution. We have the solution right in front of our eyes. Let's say English is a big problem with people, isn't it? Here in this uh, part of the world, or let's say here English, we consider it as a problem. Am I right or wrong? You can type right if I am right. We consider English as our enemy and not our friend. We ignore English. Part of the problem that English creates is because we ignore. है कि नहीं? अगर मैं इग्नोर नहीं करूंगा और उसके ऊपर काम करने लगूंगा तो आपको नहीं लगता है कि अपनी एबिलिटी आ जाएगी बोलने की? I tell you, my brother has studied throughout in Gujarati medium. Throughout. He speaks better English than me. I am MA in English literature, but he speaks better English. He knows more words. He can speak that effectively. He has better knowledge of language. And only reason is because he practices so much, he listens so much, and he is not worried about people's opinion. When we both started, we were little shy and we were less expressive. I was in Bombay, so I got the environment where I spoke. I had to speak. I had no other option. But he was here and he started to speak, irrespective of what other people think. And then gradually he became very better. See, once you start on day one will be the toughest. In fact, first month will be the toughest, but then things will normalize. Things will become better. So we have a habit of ignoring our pain points or our problems, as Megha said. Very good. Don't ignore that. Face it and crack it. Face it and finish it is what I would like to say. Thank you, Megha. Megha, you want to say something again? Yeah, please go ahead.
No, sir, that's it.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you. चलो और कोई बोलना चाहेगा? सबने पी तो बोला है, तो मैं आई जस्ट वेट फॉर वन मोर मिनट. इफ देयर एनीबडी वुड लाइक टू स्पीक एनीथिंग, रेज योर हैंड एंड गो अहेड. Okay, it seems that nobody wants to. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead, Curie.
yes, sir. Sometimes it does. We think that whatever, like, I'll start again. So sometimes in life, whatever we have expected is not the result we get. Sometimes we need to get another solution and move on.
Yeah, move on. See, that's the big word. I mean, that's I would say ideal thing. You know, when you are not. I mean, just move on. If something is not working, just move on. Go ahead. Just don't sit there. Don't waste time. Don't waste. If one opportunity didn't work, one thing didn't work, then move on. Try different things, and it will work. So don't lament there, don't sit there, don't show your grief and sit there. No, sitting there is not the solution. Sitting there is increasing the problem. It is not leading you to solution. Leading to solution is when you move on, when you when you see other things around you, right? So very good, Curie. A wonderful message. Move on. Uh, don't sit there. Sitting there is not a solution, right? Fabulous. Thank you very much. So now would you like to know how many things are we going to learn in this session? What are the courses? And we have to also do something as well. Are you interested in knowing what are the kind of courses that we have for you in this session? If you are interested in knowing, you can type I. So how many of you promise that you will remain present in my class always? If you type PA, I understand, present always. You will not miss any class. Very good, very good. I can see most of the people are listening, at least following. So अच्छा है. And let us build a very good class. Let us build a very good spirit in the class, spirit of learning. And let us try and learn from each other. सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ देने के लिए होता है लर्निंग. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि हम सब एक दूसरे के जीवन में अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूट करें. Right. So what I'll do is I will flash the course now. So you will now be able to see the course. Okay, but you will not be able to read. Let me increase the font. Now you will be able to read also, isn't it? So you are now reading the course. And see, what are the words that are important? Or I would say, this is what makes things happen in our class. This is what is important. So how you define soft skills is my question. What do you think are soft skills? Can you tell me what are soft skills? So this is what the question is. So that we crack the campus dry. Is there anybody who would like to speak anything on the soft skills? Let's say, Chandani, what do you feel? What are the soft skills? उमंग क्या लगता है सॉफ्ट स्किल्स क्या है? Yeah, Chandni, go
Sir,
ahead. Yeah,
sir, soft skills can be related to a person's personality, then
true.
the way he or she behaves with each other, the way
Yes,
he or she be in the environment around. So
yes.
all these basic skills can be related to soft skills.
Yes, very nicely put up. Very nicely said, Chandni. And Himani says that is related to how you work. You know, when you see, one thing is for sure, in India, we will have a lot of people. We will have a lot of work and we will have a lot of people. So, when we do our work, how do we deal with ourselves and how do we deal with people? So, as Bruce Lee said, that you will have to conquer first yourself and then you will not have to conquer others. So enemy is within you. If you conquer that, you will be able to conquer others as well. Meanwhile, there is a hand raised from Umang. Umang, what do you mean by soft skills? What do you understand by soft skills?
Means, so the way of communication means
True, very
uh,
true.
in a position where the one can attack the peoples. If you are
Hmm.
not very well in communication, one can lose
Hmm.
the people.
Correct.
And
Right.
how you behave in a particular place or particular
Correct.
time means
Correct.
how you make decisions, how you
True.
grasp the situation, and all that.
True, true, very true, very true, very nicely. These are the, I mean, intricacies that you brought up. I mean, जो सब पॉइंट्स है वो भी आपने बता दिए. Very good, very nice, Umang. Thank you. So how you communicate, how you handle the situation. Tejas, yes, go ahead, my dear.
The soft skill is not only about communication, it is all about to develop the people attitude that he or her accept the challenge and difficulty in your life.
Yes, एटीट्यूड का कोई कोर्स नहीं होता यूनिवर्सिटी में. यस, एटीट्यूड के लिए हमें अपने आप के अंदर झांक करके हर रोज देखना पड़ता है, तब जाके एक एटीट्यूड बनता है. ये कोई ओकेशनल एक्सरसाइज नहीं कि दिवाली दिवाली आए हमने सेलिब्रेट किया साल में एक बार. नहीं, एटीट्यूड और बेहतर इंसान बनना है तो हर रोज अपने आप को देखना पड़ेगा आईने के अंदर. जैसे आप देखते हो वैसे ही आपको अपने अंदर कौन सी ऐसी एबिलिटीज हैं जिनको आप देख पाते हो हर रोज और उनका इम्प्रूवमेंट देख पाते हो, वो करना पड़ेगा. राइट. तो यस, आई एग्री विथ यू. So as you can see, we are working on this as a course, and we have the outcome. क्या होगा? Students will develop their soft skills through individual and group activities. Student will learn to accept challenge. मतलब challenge as an opportunity. Student will learn basic etiquette and attitudinal and behavioral requirement, and you will become good at campus recruitment drive, right? अब इसका एग्जामिनेशन स्कीम देख लेते हैं. इसमें कोई एग्जामिनेशन नहीं है. आर यू हैप्पी विद दैट? लेकिन सेशन के एंड में आपको एक टेस्ट लेना पड़ेगा. आर यू रेडी फॉर द टेस्ट? सारे सेशन खत्म हो जाएंगे, एक टेस्ट होगा. इफ यू आर रेडी, यू कैन टाइप आर. यस यस यस, ऑल ऑफ यू आर सेइंग यस, आर आर, वेरी गुड. तो वो टेस्ट कोई भी फॉर्मेट में हो सकता है. एमसीक्यू फॉर्मेट में हो सकता है, वीडियो फॉर्मेट में हो सकता है, ऐसे फॉर्मेट में हो सकता है. उसमें मैं आपको ऑप्शंस दूंगा और आपको ये पूछूंगा कि आपको कौन सा टेस्ट चाहिए. दो ऑप्शन दूंगा मैं, दो में से एक ऑप्शन आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. डन? वेरी गुड. टॉपिक्स क्या हैं? आज पहला सेशन है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ओरिएंटेशन, जिसमें हम कोर्स रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, को डिस्कशन ऑन कोर्स, फैकल्टी एंड रोल, स्टूडेंट्स रोल, इसके बारे में भी हम देखेंगे क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो मैं अभी आपसे ये पूछ लेता हूँ, आपकी क्या अपेक्षाएं हैं इस सेशन के अंदर से? व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम दिस सेशन? यू कैन टेल मी. यू कैन टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स, यू कैन स्पीक ऑल्सो. ये सेशन किस तरीके से होना चाहिए, सेशन में क्या ज्यादा होना चाहिए, क्या नहीं होना चाहिए. प्लीज फील फ्री. आई एम लाइक योर फ्रेंड ओनली, आई एम लाइक योर ब्रदर, आई एम लाइक योर मेंटोर. प्लीज फील फ्री टू स्पीक. और मुझे बताइए कि सेशन कैसा होना चाहिए, इसके अंदर ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ज्यादा ये होना चाहिए, आप मुझे बोल सकते हैं. टाइप भी कर सकते हैं, बोल भी सकते हैं. चलिए बोलिए. आपको हैंड रेज करने की जरूरत नहीं, सीधा बोलने लगिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा चलो मैं बोलता हूँ मुझे क्या क्या चाहिए स्टूडेंट से. जहां जहां आप अग्री करते हो वहां वहां आप ए टाइप करना. मुझे पहले तो सबका पार्टिसिपेशन चाहिए, सबको प्रेजेंट रहना पड़ेगा क्लास में. फैकल्टी की भी एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है ना, जैसे आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है तो वैसे मेरी भी होगी. तो मैं पहले अपनी बता देता हूँ, ठीक है. दूसरा, अ, आपको प्रेजेंट रहने से कोई मतलब नहीं है, खाली खाली मतलब नहीं है. आपको पार्टिसिपेट भी करना पड़ेगा. मतलब जब मैं आपको कहूँ कि कुछ काम कीजिए, कुछ बोलिए या फिर कुछ टाइप कीजिए तो आपको करना पड़ेगा. सो अगर आप रेडी हो तो आप पी टाइप करें. पार्टिसिपेशन, प्रेजेंस एंड पार्टिसिपेशन. वेरी गुड। तो आप पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए भी तैयार हैं। फिर जब मैं आपको कोई टास्क कहता हूँ, जैसे हमने आज इन क्लास टास्क किए, हमने वीडियो देखा, हमने एक्टिविटीज की, तो ये इन क्लास एक्टिविटी हो गई। तो फिर कुछ टास्क ऐसे होंगे, हर रोज नहीं होंगे, आप चिंता मत करें। 4-5 सेशन के बाद एक टास्क मैं आपको दूंगा जो आपको घर पे बैठे बैठे करना पड़ेगा। सो यू शुड डू द टास्क। सो इफ यू आर रेडी टू डू द टास्क देन यू शुड टाइप टी, जिसमें घर पे बैठ करके आपको 1-2 घंटा निकाल करके वो टास्क करना पड़ेगा। ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेगा, 1 और 2 टास्क। पूरे सेमेस्टर के अंदर आई विल गिव यू 2 और 3 टास्क मैक्सिमम, नॉट मोर देन दैट। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। बस ये 3 एक्सपेक्टेशन है मेरी, और कोई ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन है ही नहीं। हाँ, समय पे आओ, ये एक विद इन टाइम, यू शुड रिमेन इन क्लास विद इन टाइम एंड थ्रू आउट द क्लास। राइट, तो ये मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन। अब आपकी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, आप मुझे बताइए। कि सर क्लास में थियोरी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, क्लास में एक्टिविटी होना चाहिए, क्लास में वीडियो होना चाहिए, आपकी कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है। इफ देर इज नो एक्सपेक्टेशन देन यू कैन टाइप नो।
सर
हाँ हाँ, बताइए तेजस।
सर
थैंक यू।
एक्टिविटी ज़्यादा होना चाहिए सर, थियरी
ओके,
लेस।
theory less, activity more. I agree.
You are not audible.
Yes, I'm back due to internet issue. I was out for a second or two, but I'm back now. So let me see who has another set of expectation. Any other expectation from anybody? आप बिल्कुल ही मतलब मैं दिखता खाली डरावना हूँ, बाकी हूँ नहीं। बिल्कुल चिंता मत कीजिए, आप अपना एक्सपेक्टेशन आराम से रखिए, नॉट टू वरी। हाँ, हैंड रेज करने की जरूरत नहीं, यू शुड स्टार्ट टू स्पीक। नो
Um,
एक्सपेक्टेशन। हाँ हाँ हाँ, उमंग प्लीज प्लीज गो अहेड।
the my or our first exercise was to understand the reality. Means,
हम्म हम्म
from the beginning of study and starting of colleges, we are who expected that the job was like that, or
हम्म
or the in the fantasy world. We never see the
yes,
reality of what's the
हम्म
job was
हम्म
like, what's the decision we have to make at a time. So
हम्म
you are a very good person and we are very experienced one. So
हम्म
I wish you can tell us what to do at particular situation and how to
हम्म
tackle that situation.
Very nice, Umang. I'm happy that you are asking for feedback. See, normally we are not open to feedback. मैंने कई बार जब पूछता हूँ लोगों को कि क्या आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है, तो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं, बहुत स्मार्ट होते हैं, दे टेल मी कि सर आप हमें हर सेशन के बाद एक फीडबैक दीजिए हमारे ऊपर कि आज मैंने कैसे किया, दूसरे दिन बाद मैंने कैसे किए, क्या कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट, आपको कहाँ कहाँ मुझे इम्प्रूवमेंट की। तो ये क्या करता है, वो मेरे ऊपर भी थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहता है कि मुझे इनको ऑब्जर्व करना है। आई हैव टू गिव देम द फीडबैक एंड आई शुड वर्क इन दैट वे ऑल्सो सो दैट माई स्टूडेंट्स कैन इम्प्रूव। तो ये जो चीज़ें हैं मुझे अच्छी लगती हैं स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में, जब जब वो ओपन एंड रेडी होते हैं फीडबैक्स के लिए, तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और कोई है जहाँ पे कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन है? थैंक यू उमंग फॉर दिस फैबुलस थिंग दैट यू सेड। थैंक यू वेरी मच। Let's see if there is anything else. अगर नहीं है तो then I'll float the attendance link with all of you so that you can fill the attendance. अगर कोई नहीं बोलना चाहता है then it's okay. I understand that there are no further expectations.
moving